going on? What's going on? What's happening? No, I'm just kidding. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam Fam. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. I am so appreciative. We did it. We done did it. Matter of fact, y'all done did it. So thank you for doing that for me. Let's get to 10K while we at it. Why not? But yeah, if you haven't joined the Sam Fam just yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up too while you're at it. Comment down below, you know, what you want to see from me in the future. And follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. But anyways, as you can see from the title, today we are getting my brows laminated. I already got them done, so this is the aftermath. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the whole process. You'll see my brows before. They was looking like tarantulas, I don't know, like an orangutan. I don't know, they was bad. They was really bad, but you guys will see the before, you guys will see the process. I went to Beauty by Key. Her name's Kiana. She's done my lashes in the past. So yeah, I got my brows done with her. Bomb. Love the way they came out. And yeah, I haven't had my brows touched by anyone besides myself in 6 years. So this was very nerve-wracking, but it came out really good. And I trust her. Like, I saw the product, or I saw the before and afters she's done for other people or whatever. So I was like, yeah, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. And I just wanted to do this video for you guys. I know a lot of people are interested in brow lamination and just are curious to see how it is and what it looks like. I did get my brows tinted as well. So right now I have makeup on, obviously, but there's nothing in my brows. This is just my brows naturally. So that's really bomb because I'm gonna save myself a lot of time not having to do my brows. So yeah, if you guys want to see more and see how it goes, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to my girl Key's house, Kiana. She actually has done my lashes in the past. I'm not getting my lashes done today because I'm allergic to the glue and it's just been an issue, and I'm just, you know, it's whatever. Anyways, besides the point, she started doing brow lamination recently, and I've been intrigued, so that's what we're going to do right now. I'm sure I already entered the video and told you guys about it, but I'm gonna do like a little pan over of like how my brows look right now. They are a mess, a hot mess, and I'm kind of like anxious because I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in any sort of way since like 2013. So this is crazy, but I'm excited. I just wanted to give you guys like a before look, and then I'll show you guys when I'm there and everything like that. But yeah, I'm so excited to see how it turns out, and hopefully I love it and then I continue doing it. It's supposed to last, I think, 6 to 8 weeks, so we shall see. Yeah, my brows need some blessings, for real. It's bad. So far she just cleaned my brows and then brushed them out. And now she's gonna like map them out. Okay.
To protect the skin from the perm.
Oh, okay, cool. I didn't even think about that.
It's basically like Vaseline.
Oh, okay.
I'll also give you an aftercare at the end.
Okay.
Where you need to do every night. Apply.
Is it kind of like a serum or something?
I think it's like Vaseline.
Oh, okay.
I think it looks like.
It looks like it, just some type of petroleum.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, it smells like it.
Mm-hmm. It smells really strong.
So good.
It stinks.
She's like, it stinks. And I hate it. So right now she's brushing them up and putting on the perm.
Please let me know if it feels like burning.
Okay. So far, nothing. I don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything?
Nope. So we're leaving this on for 5 minutes, y'all. Okay. Round 2, y'all. They're already getting pretty straight though. It's crazy. Oh, I'm excited to do my makeup.
Yes. You know that picture with her makeup with that brown?
Yeah. Bomb.
Bomb.
Bomb. That sounds. Yep. Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh, I'm so excited. Ew, I'm hella cheesy. They already look so bomb, but she hasn't even threaded them. You got some other issues.
So, dying? This is the moment.
Right.
I'm gonna just do
Yeah.
Next time.
She goes, yeah, I'm gonna just do it. So we're tinting them now,
honestly,
guys.
I did it and it looks natural. It's not on the skin, it's just the brown.
Yeah. No, and I know it it looks dark at first and then it'll fade out, right? Like the tint.
No, it looks really natural.
Oh, really? Oh, okay, then good.
That's what I posted.
Oh, so everybody's had it?
No.
No? Okay.
I just tried it. This is my first time trying it.
Oh, yeah, that looks really natural. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh,
but I'm going to leave yours in longer than that.
Okay.
I want to see
how dark it can get, yeah. Yeah, it's going to look way better with the tint.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
For being my guinea pig.
No worries. You're good at guinea pigging, so it's not bad. I don't walk out with my eyebrows fucked up. So I'm back home. I just threw on a little bit of makeup so you guys could see how the brows look with makeup. I love how they turned out. They're bomb. Key did her thing. I will have her link down below so you guys can check her out. She's located in the Valley area. But yeah, I really enjoyed, how they came out. It's really weird for me to get my brows done, so I'm glad that I don't hate them or anything, because that would be sucky. But yeah, it's supposed to last for up to 2 months. Knowing me, it'll probably not even last a month, but that's fine. I don't need them to last forever. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty good, and it was painless. I didn't have any burning or any itching or anything like that. My skin didn't react yet. I hope it doesn't, but I don't think it will since it hasn't yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's another close-up so you guys can see them. She did end up tinting them, as you guys saw. So we did the lamination, which is the perm, the tinting, the threading, shaping, all that good stuff. And then she gave me this petroleum jelly that's an aftercare thing. Let me show you guys. So she gave me a spoolie right here, and then this petroleum jelly stuff that I'm supposed to put on every night that helps upkeep them. But yeah, so that was it, pretty simple. She charged $25 for the tint and the threading, and the lamination, threading, all of that. She is newer to it, so this might just be her beginning prices by the time you go. I don't know, it could be different. But yeah, just saying. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more, vlog videos with things that I do for beauty wise, let me know and I will continue doing them. But thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. I know I already said it, but I just have to say it again. You guys really, y'all did that. Y'all did that. I appreciate you guys so much. Keep subscribing. Let's get to 10K, because why not, We're gonna have a giveaway at 10K for sure. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway.